is a special weather statement issued at 3:40 p.m. The National Weather Service in Portland has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Clatsop County in northwestern Oregon, southwestern Pacific County in southwestern Washington, until 4:15 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 3:40 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 9 miles southwest of Owaco, or 10 miles west of Warrenton, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Warrenton and Hamlintown around 4:05 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. Ilwaco around 4:10 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Seaview and Hammond. In Washington, this includes U.S. Highway 101 between mile markers 11 and 14. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.